Hi guys, welcome back to Cricket League. You must have gotten my shirt today. We are finally back at Cricket League. And I appreciate for the views and likes on the last video. So this is why I'm going to do this video again. And I haven't played this even though, but from last time I'm pretty sure I've not played it and it's giving me notifications. So let's look, this one is ready. We got a Mumbai one. Come on, money, I need this. Vikas, okay. Bhaskar, okay, I need to upgrade Bhaskar. Where are you, Bhaskar? Upgrade here. Why are you so expensive? I literally have no money. I'm literally broke. But let's play. Wait, I don't have. Oh my goodness, this. No. Oh no, this is gonna be. Please let me in. So I'm bowling first. Lakshya. X, I guess. What is happening? Okay, but do I get my money back? Because that was an accident. Yeah, I lost money. Oh, that was such a mistake. Okay, I'm against another guest from India. And I'm bowling first. Oh no, oh my goodness. Can you play? Okay, yeah, no, I can't play this. Jalaj. Why do you look so heavy? Okay, so the problem with these people is this. They have really... Haha. Lol. Come on, start. Is she going for the last time? What just happened? Okay. Oh, too early. Okay, it happens, guys. Don't worry. Why is she doing this? Guys. Okay, she did it. Okay, so we got a choker. We got a 4. What are you waiting for, woman? Is she a woman or a man? I have no idea. Timeout. What just happened? I don't know what just happened. Don't do any more timeouts, stupid, weirdo, woman or man. What is wrong with her? Oh, he just won. I will be taking that. Thank you. Do you want a rematch? Okay. Lol. Okay, so unlock this. I can't upgrade him. Bro, how is it 2 now? Show me my batsman. Danny. My only good batsman. I have no friends. League. I'm 18th. It's not that bad, I guess. They got pictures, man. Okay, let's play. Okay, should be better. I'm level 4. Okay, I bat first. They got lucky shot. I don't even know if there's any Pakistani players here. What are you doing, man? Ooh. Choke on. Choke on. And what are you even doing? What are you doing, lad? Fake one. You really one time out? Oh, come on. Oh, there was just... Okay, can we do 3 rounds? 3 rounds, okay. Take it or leave it, guys. Take it or leave it. Steakhouse. I didn't know the ball. What are you doing? Okay. So... Okay. I don't want to get eliminated. So they got 2 people over there, so my better chance is to shoot here. Do it. Well, that second match is waste. Okay, come on. Okay, guys. So I lost. This is our last match. Okay, and he's better than me. There's no way I'm gonna win this. Come on, England, you can do it. Tell us why. It's England. It's coming home again. Na. Football's coming home again. Really? Oh, okay. Oh, and it was really. Okay, no ball. Okay. I don't need extra, man. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Okay, so hurry up, you stupid. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be 3 rounds. Okay, 3 runs. It's just 3 runs. We've done 3 runs. We've done 0 targets. I really have no chance. Come on, England. Okay. Stop saying connected. 5 rounds. You've done 5 rounds. Come on. I haven't done the 4 or the 5 yet. Danny. Okay. Okay. Oh, 5 wins. Worth it. Thanks for an extra ball. Okay, but we still got 2 balls, so those can heal these to 0. And I'm got cold. Oh my goodness, we're gonna lose.
Let's go, we're gonna lose.
Okay, Lakasha, you better do something. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, come on. What is wrong with you? They're gonna do 1 win. So he wants to play dangerous. And that was very dangerous. Oh no, yeah, we're gonna lose, guys. We're gonna lose. Unless I have a plan. Yeah, we lost. Can't say I can't try. I'm broke, guys. I'm broke. Yeah, I'm broke. So I will tell you when we play next. And like always, stay cool, stay fresh. Come on.